I have to put this final drive onto this diff. The thing stopping me is that this bearing won't let you get these nuts undone. Let's try this. There she blows. Then it's just a simple case of knocking back the lock tabs. Lock tabs are flat. There we go. So they can all come off. A bit of wiggling. So can that. Woohoo! I'm going to leave behind this fibre washer. Old one out, new one in. There we go. Just lightly nip them, and then they've got to be torqued, and we bend the flaps back over. Job's a good one. Okay, let's find the torque setting, shall we? 60 foot-pounds or 83 Newton meters. Let's turn it round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now let's bring the lock tabs back over. There we go. That is how to change the diff ratio on a Classic Mini. I forgot something. That's got to go back on. I like to put them on that way up, so it's got the writing out so you can see what type or make of bearing it was. Let's find something to knock it down with. That'll do nicely. There you go. That is all the way down. Jobbed.